Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Today we're going to take a look at a blade by CRKT, which I think exemplifies every single thing a gentleman's blade should be. Stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we'll get right into this guy. Alright guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the CRKT 7530 Crossbones. Now what I think is absolutely, just tremendous, this was designed by Jeff Park under the tutelage of one of my favorite knife designers, Ken Onion. And that's this little dude right here. Now I'm going to give you the stats real quick before we open it up. It's got an overall length of 8.063 inches. Closed is 4.503. And the blade itself is 3.536. Sorry, God, I'm getting tongue-tied. Very lightweight at 2.4 ounces. Now, as you see, it's got a really sleek flipper opener. But there it is. It is absolutely beautiful, small, sleek, elegant. It is not huge. It is not, an overpowering look. It fits beautifully inside a pair of jeans or a pair of dress pants, which is why I'm seriously calling this the ultimate gentleman's blade. Now, the blade steel is AUS 8 with a Rockwell rating of 57 to 59. It seriously has this beautiful satiny finish to it that just catches light awesomely, and it adds a whole nother dimension to it. Now, as I showed you, it has that very low profile flipper open right there. Now on the handle, it's 6061 aluminum that's been tumbled, bead blasted, then hard gray anodized. I mean, look at this. That's a lot of effort into a handle that most people won't put in there. Most people don't even put that much effort into a blade. Now, it has a one-position pocket clip, which is tip up. As you saw, it does have the liner lock. And like I said, this thing is just everything a gentleman's blade should be. Sleek, small, elegant, non-threatening, but yet when you deploy it, you have a way to defend yourself if you need it. Now, as we usually do, we took a look at the cost of these guys. Over on CRKT's website, it's $100, $99.99. Over on Amazon, it's $57.50, but you get free shipping. Now, the rating over on CRKT's website is 4.25 stars out of 5, and over on Amazon, it's 4.4 out of 5. I've wanted to bring this one to the channel for a very, very long time. I finally broke down and spent the money and got it. I'm not disappointed in it. I just freaking love this thing. I am so happy to have it here. But, that's my thoughts, guys. I'd like to know yours down below. If you are a first-time viewer to this channel, I want to thank you so much for giving me a moment of your day. You're going to see a little symbol popping up right over here. Go ahead, click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you subscribe, please go ahead and hit that bell icon. It's going to let you know every single time we bring a brand new video up. And speaking of videos, you go see 2 of them popping up right over here that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a good fit for you. There we go, guys. The Crossbones. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. And I hope you have an incredible day today.